In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Facebook password if you forgot it. This walkthrough shows you how to view your Facebook password only if it was previously saved on your Android phone or in Google Chrome through Google Password Manager. We're not creating a new password or hacking anything, just locating credentials your device or browser saved for you. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account on your phone or browser and have your device lock ready since you'll be asked to verify your identity. Let's start on your Android phone. Open the Settings app and scroll until you see Google. Tap it, then choose Manage your Google account. Across the top, go to the Security tab. Scroll down and select Password Manager. You'll see a list of sites and apps your Google account has saved. If you use more than one Google account on your phone, confirm you're in the one you normally use for Facebook. You can also use the search bar inside Password Manager and type Facebook to find it quickly. Tap Facebook, then confirm it's you using your phone's PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock. After that, tap the eye icon to reveal your saved Facebook password. Take a moment to double check it and keep your screen private while it's visible. If you don't see Facebook here, it likely wasn't saved on this device or account. Now let's check in Google Chrome. Open Chrome and tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Go to Settings, then look for the autofill section and tap Google Password Manager. Choose passwords to view your saved website logins. Scroll through the list or use the search at the top to find Facebook. Tap the info icon next to it. Chrome may ask you to sign in or verify it's you again. Follow the prompt. Once you're in, tap the eye icon to reveal the password. You'll also see the username you used to sign in, which can be helpful if you have multiple accounts. As before, be mindful of your surroundings and avoid sharing or screenshotting your password in places you don't trust. That's it. Once you've revealed your password, you can use it to sign into your Facebook account. If Facebook doesn't appear in either place, it just means it wasn't saved there under your current account. Keep your device and Google account secure and consider updating your password manager entries so future sign-ins are easier and safer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips and tutorials.